Hello everyone, welcome to TeenDevelopers channel. And today in this short video, I will show you how to change notification and ringtone in Samsung Galaxy A32. So before starting video, if you are new on this channel, then hit subscribe button. Let's start a video without wasting any time. So just follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. So to change ringtones, first of all you just need to go to settings